get more bass on your AirPods 4, yeah, I've got two tips for you. The first one, go to the settings and open AirPods settings. And right here, you will have to start scrolling and you have to go for accessibility. Then we have to scroll for iPhone audio and visual settings. And right here, you have to go for the headphone accommodations. You will have to turn it on. And now I can first of all recommend you to tune audio for balance tone, vocal range or brightness. I'm using actually this one, the balance tone. In my opinion, this is like the best bass response. But also I can recommend you to set the custom audio setup. So to do this, you will have to remove your earbuds from the case, put them inside your ears, and then click continue. Don't use audiogram, click continue. And now you will hear the same sound. It will be played for like 2 times. And then you will be simply able to, wait a minute, I'm gonna input another one. Okay, and now you will have to click yes, click continue, and you will have to simply pick one of the following version. So in my opinion, for the version 2, for the version 2 there's like more bass, and you will have to do this for every comparison that will pop on the screen. But also if you are using streaming services, let's say that you are using Apple Music, so you will have to go for settings, and when you are here you will have to go for Apple Music. Open it, and right here you have to go for EQ and select to increase bass. You can also do this the same for the Spotify, for YouTube Music, depends of the streaming services that you're using. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.